Although Tesla stock has had some bad days and rebounded, experts and analysts believe brighter days are ahead. In an interview, a former employee who has had an inside view of how the company manages to function at a very fast pace revealed how Tesla stock will potentially result in a 1,000 times increase in growth to $1 million. Growth stocks are currently one of the hottest subjects. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at Tesla's bullish catalysts, the inner workings of Tesla's business, and how these factors will cause Tesla to reach $1 million, so stay tuned. Tesla currently has a market capitalization of $1.008 trillion as of April 2022. According to research, this places Tesla at the world's 6th most valuable corporation by market capitalization, and experts believe the brand is just getting started. Tesla is a stock many consider to be in its early stages of growth. We believe the company's product has significant benefits over its electric and combustion engine competitors, and it's well-positioned for future growth. Former Tesla employee Joe Justice discussed his tenure at the company and his development expectations for the brand based on inside information in a recent interview. He also discussed how Tesla has been able to maintain its growth rate, suggesting the company may grow by a factor of 1,000. At this rate, this could mean Tesla is hitting $1 million. Joe Justice is one of the world's foremost Agile experts, having worked with Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Toyota, as well as Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and Elon Musk. Joe has been applying Agile to automobile production since 2006 when he founded Team Wikispeed. He's built 14 race and road-legal automobiles himself, some of which took only 27 minutes to design and build. From Tesla's worldwide headquarters in Fremont, California, he ran Agile at Tesla. This makes him an authority on the subject, as he has an intimate knowledge of the company. Many experts claim that to determine the worth of a company, one must properly observe how the business is run. Statistics are important as well, but these are primarily subject to the basic principles of the company and how they tackle business activities. According to Justice, continuous testing is a big deal at Tesla. It's a feature of the Agile methodology, which is a type of project management that breaks a project into phases. It demands ongoing development at each step. Agile has the shortest responsible iteration cycle. After one iteration, you would reconsider your plan, give it your all this week, and then reconsider your strategy for the following week. That appears to simplify things while also ensuring that productivity is strong and that everyone follows the brand's guidelines and objectives. An iteration review in hardware indicates the hardware is fully tested, homogenized, certified, and ready for production. This means that every car and rocket undergoes non-destructive compliance and automated certification testing. This is known as factory mode, and it's where autopilot originated. To give you an idea of how large the test infrastructure is, autopilot is a side product of factory mode. Hardware sprint reviews and Agile hardware retrospective procedures can help speed up the development cycle for the next generation of hardware. At the end of each sprint, a one-pager is created to compare the current and past iterations of the product, eliminating the need for employees to read hundreds of pages of documentation. The maintenance model for Agile hardware is likewise significantly different. Tesla and SpaceX train their technicians in different ways when it comes to maintenance and service. In the field, technicians are trained to switch modules in minutes or seconds. The technicians then return to the plant and design center to assist in the development of improved items. What does it mean to be Agile at Tesla outside of the manufacturing process? They can reach faster speeds with the same or better quality by raising the value of people. Tesla has no project management, instead relying on individuals who are dispersed across the country to address difficulties. The emphasis is on the concepts of ready and done work, Joe Justice explains. The triggers for such growth and change are 12-hour shifts and a regard for people. They're always learning from one another on a daily basis. With highly adaptive teams and an environment where your job and objectives can change substantially from hour to hour, Tesla appears to be operating at peak efficiency. And the growth figures are starting to make sense. The growth score is a useful indicator for analyzing a stock's attractiveness. According to Infront Analytics, Tesla Incorporated has a growth score of 9.0, which is significantly higher than its peers. This shows that Tesla Incorporated is growing at a far quicker rate than its competitors. The aggregated growth score, net sales growth historical, and net income growth historical and net sales growth estimate earnings per share growth estimate are used to compute this score. Many successful experts believe Tesla's growth potential aligns with their growth investment strategy, as they believe Tesla is still in the early stages of its life cycle. We agree that investing in early-stage companies allows investors to capture higher growth and sustain it for longer. Others may be more concerned with short-term performance and earnings changes from quarter to quarter, but we believe it's better to play the long game. Identifying above-average growers early in their lives allows you to compound your growth over time. If Tesla is successful in developing self-driving vehicles, it will revolutionize personal business transportation, as well as enable robotaxi services. While we do not place a value on the company's possible future businesses, we do place a premium on its innovation and potential to alter travel. Short investors, those who sell stocks and then buy them back at a cheaper price later, and skeptics use short-term headlines to justify their negative opinions on Tesla. We believe this makes the stock an excellent example of why it's more important to focus on long-term development and innovation than short-term news. Rather than focusing solely on headlines or events, we believe it's critical to consider Tesla and other early-stage growth businesses in the context of their whole lifetime. The stock could be just as volatile in the future as it has been previously. However, we believe Tesla will remain appealing in the long run if it can maintain its competitive position and technological edge. So, what is the current value of Tesla? Earlier, we mentioned Tesla's market capitalization statistics. The market capitalization, also known as market cap, is the total market value of a publicly traded company's outstanding shares. It's a common metric for determining how valuable a company is, but many believe the actual value of Tesla lies in the visionary that is Elon Musk. Joe Justice has worked with a lot of CEOs, and they all seem to have something in common. He said that Musk is unconcerned about whether you graduated from high school or not. Tesla, he claims, is unconcerned about credentials. According to Musk, the only thing that matters is the rate of innovation. We wholeheartedly agree and believe that this has been the basis of Tesla's current success and will continue to be. Just this year, a lot has occurred. The stock has declined and risen back up, but more interesting things have happened. For one, Giga Texas is fast approaching reality. Elon Musk told supporters at the celebration marking the inauguration of the Texas factory that the company will construct a car specifically for use as a robotaxi and that it will begin producing 3 new vehicles next year. Musk didn't reveal much about the robotaxi, saying that it would look extremely futuristic, according to him. He also stated that Tesla would begin producing the Cybertruck pickup next year at its new facility outside Austin, Texas. After that, he claimed, it will begin work on the new Roadster and an electric truck. He made his remarks at Tesla's new billion-dollar-plus factory's Cyber Rodeo at Giga Texas, an invitation-only party for thousands of attendees. The exclusive celebration to commemorate the opening of the new facility in Travis County, which also acts as the company's new headquarters following its relocation from California, was expected to draw up to 15,000 guests. Musk said at a live-streamed event on YouTube that Tesla was delivering the first Model Y compact SUVs made at the new facility, which he claims can produce 500,000 SUVs per year. When you factor in other bullish catalysts such as Giga Berlin, the stock split, car price increases, and so on, as a result of these developments, an increasing number of investors are becoming interested in the brand and purchasing stock, generating a positive shift in the market sentiment. Based on current statistics, Tesla's stock is anticipated to be $2,500, or around 250% of what it's currently trading at, according to coin price projection. The firm is the United States and the world's largest manufacturer of electric automobiles. This doesn't happen by accident. We agree with Justice that a 1,000 times growth is not beyond Tesla's capacity when compared to where it came from and where it is currently. Do you agree with Joe Justice? Comment down below.